What does the unicorn say? Huh, Olive? What does the unicorn say? What does a horsey say? Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Good job, baby. Good job. Whoa, do you want me to help you? Ah! Good job. Ah! You're so cute. Hello. You my little unicorn. What's your name? Yeah. Can you say your name? Olive. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Good job, baby. Okay. Say bye-bye. Uh-oh. We'll fix it. Hey, look at the camera and say bye-bye. All done. Say bye-bye for me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, can you do your cute smile? Cheese. Oh, okay, bye-bye. It's okay, I'll kiss it. Okay, say bye-bye.